Here's a demo code. Main is accessing home page. The background color is deep purple. Now we need to add an app bar for the drawer button. We're set. Now let's add drawer. You need to add the syntax outside upper closing bracket. This would be the color of the drawer. Success! This is optional header. You can add an image or an icon here. You can change the size of icon. Let's change the color of icon. Now we need to add a list in drawer. For icon in the list, we'll always use leading. And just like app bar, we need a title for the list entry. Obviously, we can customize it. We can copy the list tile to duplicate multiple entries. We can change the icon and its label. Now we need another page to add tab functionality. Add the default syntax and give path by defining roots. Remove extra stuff inside scaffold. second screen. Let's define a route. Copy the route name. Inside the list tile in which you want to implement tap, paste the copied route name here. Now we need to add something to display on second page. Back button will be automatically added. We need to pop the drawer when we come back from second screen. Inside the list entry which we use to navigate. Now the drawer automatically closes.